Let's do the obvious and forget that I look literally like a homeless person. But today I wanted to just give you guys a heads up on my part 2 of finishing the baby's nursery, which, guys, it was going so good and now it's such a mess again. Let me show you. But I am working on a new thing because, okay, so I've been getting so much clothes that I'm running out of space and I really don't want to, I don't know what to do with it. So I decided to hang all his newborn and 0-3 months. That way everything's out and I know what he can and can't use anymore. And then leave that space for all the other stuff that I've got. So let me show you real quick. And please excuse this. It's just, I'm in my home. Just cleaning. So again, when you walk in, I still have this, so this has not changed, thankfully. And then in his drawers, I took out all his newborn. He didn't have a lot of newborn stuff, obviously, because I don't know how much he's gonna use of it. I mean, he's already looking a little big, so. And I just hung all of it, so even all his onesies and everything like that. I just, honestly, I don't want to be folding. I just realized that I'm like, I don't want to have to be washing and folding clothes, so I'm just gonna start just hanging stuff. And then what I'm gonna do is that, you know, as soon as they don't fit, I'm just gonna take them off and like donate them and stuff, and then move on to the next set of stuff that he has. Right now I still have like the excess like sweaters and stuff that they cannot be folded up in the top, but the bottom one will be more of like the reachable space for me. So newborn, and then I'm gonna hang the 0-3 months, and then I'll probably put this in like one of the cubbies that are down here. I'm not 100% sure yet on what to do, but let me turn around. So this is still the same. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm probably gonna move that one in here and then buy more of these little cubby things and like stack them in there just so I can have more space, and maybe I can probably put some of these toys. I got some new stuff also that I need to share with you guys, but I'll share with you guys in another, I'm having another baby shower actually tomorrow, which I will be filming. So all this stuff is going to be shared over there. So yeah, I have clothes over here. I have clothes right here that I need to put away, but I don't have space. So I need to figure that out. And then I got new stuff in some of these boxes. And then I'm just scared that tomorrow I'm going to get more clothing. So, which I'm very thankful. And then look at my bed. I just like, well, not my bed, but my baby's bed is just full of stuff at this point. And look at, I got a PR package. I'm so excited. These are so cute. This is by I think it's like Lulu, yeah, Lulu Lollipop or yeah, Lulu Lollipop. And they are absolutely cute. I'm dying. Like, everything was so cute. They just sent me all their avocado stuff. I love it. But yeah. So yeah, and the other new thing is that now I put a frame up there. The plant is missing because it's getting watered. It also needs a pot, so I need to get a pot for the plant. But yeah, I ended up putting the frame up there with the ultrasound of my baby, and I can't get too close because it does have some personal information. I need to erase that. But yeah, that's what it's looking right now. So I do have new decor that I'm gonna hang right now, so I'll show you guys as soon as that's done. And then I'm also gonna start taking stuff down from the top so I can start organizing it and all that good stuff. And I'm running out of air because I'm pregnant, so let's get to cleaning. Okay guys, I'm gonna share with you guys my results from cleaning and updating you guys on what I've changed and everything. There's still a few more things to be done, and then finally this room is gonna be done, which is amazing. But I'm almost done. I have just like a few little things to do and to bring in, and that's about it. And obviously some boxes to get rid of, so I guess a few more things to do, but not too bad. So let me show you. Okay, so when you enter my room, kind of looks the same, but I finally kind of cleaned up this area. I have a few things that I need to organize. I have his new pictures that they took. I have some just info here that I think I'm gonna throw away. I don't think I need it. These videos that they're gonna go to donation because I don't even have a DVD player. I have this white warmer up here just because I don't know what to do with it. I have right now 2 white warmers, and this one just, it's smaller and I have to be connected, and so I don't know where I'm gonna put it, if I'm gonna leave it in the living room. I still don't know. So it's just kind of here for right now. And then I do have all his, like, you know, cards and stuff like that. I do want to display these. So we'll see. And you know, everybody's basically like how much he's gonna weigh and everything, which is kind of fun. And then back that are basically just left, you know, baby coming in July, which is the original picture that I put on Instagram. If you guys follow me, then you saw that one already. He did get a new toy at my last house. If you guys saw it, you saw those, the toy in the little display. And I do have Mr. Clocksworth over here just hanging out. Same thing with this little fella. And then what I did is that I added some cubbies. So those two little like cubby things came together, but I only needed one for this area. And so I decided to put this one right next to it. It's white, but I think it's fine. And please ignore these like bags. That one's like a trash bag. Like, I don't know why I didn't take it out. And that one is an extra changing mat that I have, and I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. And then I just have the car seat. It's still in the bag. But anyhow, so in here, since I only had 2 of the little boxes, I need to go to Costco and get more. I don't know if I'm gonna go to Costco and get more, because I kind of, maybe I will, because I don't know if it looks too messy. But right now I do have some of his toys and stuff in this little area. So that one was just too big to put anywhere. So I just decided to leave it there. And in this little boxes just have some random toys and stuff that go attached to those. And some mats, and then like, you know, other toys for him. And then down here I have this little carrier that I got for my baby shower. And it turns into like a little dome. So you basically, when you go to the park or the beach, you take this one and you can let your baby on it. I have my docket tot in there. I do have my Mamaru here that I don't know where to put. It's gonna go in the living room, but it's just, right now the living room also needs to be fixed. So yeah, and then I just have his basket. That's gonna be his basket for his dirty clothes. I need to figure out kind of where to put it once the crib comes in. And so this is his clothing. It's a little cluttered at this moment. This one's gonna go away. I just need to do a video. And this is his shoes. Now in the cubbies down here, let me move this one. Sorry, I'm like wearing slippers, all comfy. I have all his blankets that I've received. So he has a ton of blankets all in there. And then on this one, I just have like extra like car seat or anything like that. So I have this one here. I have the Mamaru actual like the top. I also have his car seat like infant thing that I need to set up for when we pick him up from the hospital. So that's in there. And then the clothes. So this one is a bit of a mess because I just like threw it in here. I have to fix that next. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna fix it next. And then all the way to the top, again, because I had my other baby shower, now I'm done. I'm just gonna be buying things for the baby from now on. I did put a lot of his like gifts. So I have that basket has a bunch of wipes, and then I have like 3 boxes of the water wipes, all his size 1s, and I believe I have 2 more boxes in the garage still. So I need to figure out when to bring those in so I don't forget to use them, or I'm like running out of breath. But in here I decided to hang all the clothing because again, I don't want to fold stuff. So right now everything is folded, as a matter of fact, like all neat, but I feel like this is like better for the first, you know, few days and weeks for me not to worry about, because he's gonna outgrow this stuff and he might not even use it, sadly. Baby's coming quite large. Like all these hangers are all newborn stuff, so that's all his newborn stuff. I have all his little like outfits here. I don't even know if he's gonna be able to use them or fit on them, which makes me so sad, but it is what it is. So I have all this stuff. I believe you guys are gonna see stuff. I think I want this one for his picture as a hello, I'm here. And then I have this sort of sweater, which is so cute. So I need to, you know, like all his pajamas are here and stuff like that. So all this stuff for sure I need to like, yeah, he's definitely gonna use these ones. But yeah, I have a few outfits here. Oh, this is my favorite one. He has to use it, because if not, he's gonna get he's too big. He's already kind of chunky right now. And then this is 0 to 3 months. So all these blue hangers are 0 to 3 months. So again, you know, hopefully we'll be able to play with all this clothing. I even have some Halloween stuff here. Oh, he's gonna look so cute. And then I have 3 months, anything that's like labeled 3 months. They're slightly bigger, some sizes, not all of it. So that way it's like a little bit easier. I can see it. I feel like if it's in the drawers, I'm gonna forget and things are just gonna like, at least here I can decide like what can he wear and what, you know, like can't. Like if this is like, if that's gonna be his last outfit, I want to make sure that he uses certain ones, you know. So that's that. So that's gonna be my organization, how I'm gonna do this. So as soon as he's done with the newborn, I'll just pass that and start putting the next sizing, which I'm gonna buy the little divider things. And then the books are still the same. I need to buy something to hang here, like something about reading. And then as you move along, so basket there, that's still there. My plant did not like where I moved it, so I need to figure out a better spot. I think I'm gonna hang it by the window because it just did not like it, and she was doing so well by the light. So you guys seen this last time. This is the same. I haven't changed anything other than I just set up my what is this called, sterilizer. So this is a sterilizer. This is where I'm going to sterilize all the bibs. The bibs are in here obviously, so that's going to be handy. I have some books and I do want a little lamp in here, so that's still I have not bought that, so I need to get that. And then I did move a little bit of this area because I added the picture of Wesley, but everything else is the same. Right here will be the chair, like the little rocking chair. I ideally want to put something up here, but I don't know yet what I'm gonna put, if I'm gonna put some shelves or something. And for right now, I just have the cushion. I need to bring in the chair. I can't carry by myself. And the baby Bjorn, which I need to like kind of set it up in there as well, because that's just like dumping ground, I swear. And then this area is changed because I finally was able to hang that. I was gonna hang this one by the crib, but ignore that because I'm going to take it off. I think I'm going to just buy something for his name and that's it. But for right now, I do have his, like the little macrame and his Jack picture that his dad drew. So ignore the bags as well because I'm going to do a haul. I have now the trash bin ready to go. The drawers are here ready to go. The mat that I have, this is a hatch mat with the weighing scale. I'm not using the weighing scale, I'm just using it for the firmness. I'm gonna get some, what do you call those, like something to put in here so it's a little bit more softer for him. The waterproof mat thing, so I'm gonna just add that to the top so it doesn't look. And then this is just sitting here for right now. It's the little travel like diaper changing mat, because this most likely is gonna be with me in the living room. I have a white warmer here. I might want to get something to put it on the top, but this works and I figured maybe, you know, we'll use it. I have this random blanket of Jack. He's gonna go on the other side, but and then here I have, this is gonna be set up. I just left it here because I need to set up the outlet still, but I do have his outlet socks. I figured I can like get him ready for bed and stuff here, and so I'll put his outlet sock. I need to actually connect this. This is a changing mat, but it's really big for this one, so I think I'm going to use it for the other one. And then I have newborn diapers ready for him for when he comes. And then on the first drawer here, I put all his medicine. Now I have more in the bags, but I'm finishing up basically some filming and then I'll organize all this stuff. But if you guys saw my haul, then you probably saw some of these items already. I have some hand sanitizer, diapers. So these are diaper creams. This is where all his medicine is gonna go. I have these passies. I want to buy a little hanging thing so that I can display them maybe here or over there. You know, just so that I can have them like display and I don't forget to you know, just use the same ones. Like I can see all the ones that he's got, because he's gotten a few gifted. Look at these, are so pretty. This one is like absolutely my favorite. This one too, so I really, you know, want to make sure that he uses them. These are sample shampoos and stuff like that I received, so these are just gonna stay here as like extras when we're traveling or anything. I think that will come in handy. And then I have some of his teething toys here. I love the avocado one. And yeah, and then here I have grooming stuff. So he has some face wipes. I think this is gonna go in my diaper bag. His brush, his toothbrush for later on. And yeah, then I have extra Medelics. I didn't know where to put my disposable ones. have some wipies here, and I need to put a bag in there just so I can have it ready. And then down here still the swaddles that they've given to me. This is like honestly my favorite one. And these are his pajamas too, that like the swaddle pajama thing. Oh, that's gonna go in there. Now for my bed, which I'm so in love how it turned out. All these little cushion things are from Restoration Hardware, I believe. I love this color, so I didn't want to do blue, but this is like such a like light, calm blue. I really love it, so I decided to go with this. And then his Snuggle Me just is in here for right now. This is the blanket that my friend Stephanie gave him, and I just figured it can lay here, wait for him. And then this is the blanket that I also got from my registry that I absolutely love. So everything kind of just matches so great. I even have the Boppy here ready to go. That's probably gonna go in the chair once it gets here. So it's just gonna sit here for right now because it just matches with the decorations. I have this is random stuff now, that's not gonna go there. Neither is that. So over here again, I still have the boxes that need to be built. The stroller needs to be built. The swing needs to be built. That's all gonna go in the living room. These are extra newborn diapers that I'm certain he's not gonna use. And then that's a little whale thing for the bath. So I need to figure out a spot to put that guy somewhere. And then last thing, I have a few papers that I need to find somewhere to put, but I am gonna leave my my Frida humidifier. So I have the manual here. Once I connect it, because I need to buy an extension cord to connect that stuff. So this one's gonna stay here because I figured if ever baby is sick, I can always take it with me. Or, you know, if he's sleeping here, this is the area. I will have another one of these, not the same one, but like another little once that goes away. So it might be on that side. I'm not sure where this is gonna end up, but that's kind of the idea. And then here's the same thing. It just has some car things that I need to, you know, set up in the car. These are all like stroller stuff, and these are all my carriers for the baby. And my diaper bags are still here that I need to get ready. Actually, I have one going ready in the living room. Okay, everybody, that's it for today's video. Sorry I look a little messy and I have my pajamas on, but I'm basically just wrapping up cleaning and putting some stuff away, so I'm kind of comfy. I'm doing all that stuff. So that's it for right now. And then on the last update, everything should be kind of placed, and then we can do like a final tour together, because yeah, I don't want to make 10 videos out of this. Like, it shouldn't take me that long. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.